What's up? So we're here in Arizona, and yesterday it was 117 and it was nice and toasty, and today I don't know what the temperature is, but it's a little bit nicer and it's sunny. So here's my microwave oven transformer. This one has just the 0 gauge wire right here. It has 2 wraps. That's the secondary coil. I'm just powering the primary coil right here. We're just plugging it into this outlet here, and what that does is it just basically pumps a whole bunch of amps through this thing, makes the amperage increase and the voltage decrease with how this is wound. And I have a few other videos with different types of these devices, but here I'm going to try and melt a bottle cap, an aluminum bottle cap. So let's try that real quick. There we go. Oh wow, that was really fast. Definitely melted it. Okay, let's flick that off with the other one because it's hot. Because it's molten aluminum. And here I got a penny from 1997. It's not very shiny, so it deserves to get melted. Trying not to touch it. Ugh. You got to make sure it has a good solid connection here. Let's see, I'm going to put this down for 1 second actually. Okay, and here we are with a penny now, and we're gonna try it. Come on. Maybe I have a bad connection. This isn't a very awesome setup with that. Okay, let's try it now. Yep, that is a horrible connection. Just throwing sparks all over the place. I'm just moving it over so it doesn't have to pull it as hard. Let's try it one more time. Okay, same. That's pathetic. Okay, and we're back. The other video that I did earlier was sad. So now I got some wire nuts, and I actually attached these correctly, or somewhat correctly, more correctly than it was last time. And I got this little alligator clip right here that I taped up, and I taped on this thing that I don't remember what it was for. I just found it in my box of junk, because everybody needs just a box of junk, right? You just go through it and find whatever you want. It's great. Anyway, so we're going to try it this way. I can plug it in and leave it plugged in. Can you hold that piece? Thanks. And then don't touch this, the end of it at least, which I already did, and it was not fun. And let's try and melt Abe Lincoln right there. So here I'm gonna go ahead and attach this. Whew. Well, melted a little bit of a funky way, but it melted it. Guess it wasn't a very solid connection.
Don't touch it.
Thanks. Alright, I got another penny on there. You can see earlier I was melting all these bottle cap pull tabs or whatever. That's the one that I just melted. So it did melt it. Maybe I'll melt that more in a minute, but this one should have a bit of a better connection now. Hopefully. So I'll just hold it right here. Let's try that. There we go. Make sure it's in focus. Dang it. I don't know if it actually... Oh, it did melt it. Thanks. Yeah, I gotta work on the connection here. Ah. There it is. Oh, that was fun. Just melted his head. Cool. Didn't even really melt it that much, just kind of sparked all over. Okay, the end. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. See you on the next video.